Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today's video I'm going to show you how to get fast shipping as a dropshipper. Then in this video we'll give you the simple method to make your order take only 3 days shipping. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First guys, open your browser, then in the search bar type CG Dropshipping. As you know guys, CG Dropshipping is one of the most popular e-commerce platform. Then you can use this CG Dropshipper to dropship any product on your platform. Then guys, first guys, you need to select which warehouse that you are using. If you dropship the product on United States, you need to select US warehouse or China or any warehouse that you want to use. For example, I will select US warehouse. Then guys, after selecting the warehouse, go and tap the product or which niche that you are working for. For example, gadget. Then guys, this is the gadget that I am looking for to dropship on my account or on my platform. Then guys, for example, this one. Then guys, if you want to ship this product fast, it takes only between 3 or 7 days. You need to go and select the warehouse. On the right side, click and select US warehouse. Then you need to scroll down. As you see guys, it takes only between 3 or 7 days. As you know guys, this platform it's work 100% because the product it's very cheap.